Hello, Nature Nuts. This is your TNPF Species Smackdown host, Sister Nature, bringing you another 3 rounds of action-packed vegetation. Let's head to the ringside to Plant Pole and Pam to meet the species going for the title.
Thanks, Sister. Introducing first, fighting out of the native corner, a species that serves as a food source for both large and small mammals and birds. It is also a highly beneficial pollinator, attracting native butterflies and bees. Native to Nevada and bearing beautiful yellow tubular flowers, Ericameria, rubber rabbitbrush, nauseosa. Next, fighting out of the invasive corner, a species of which all parts, leaves, stems, seeds, and roots are toxic to livestock and people. Especially when ingested, it is deadly. Brought to the United States as a garden ornamental and more naturalized than invasives in many areas. Conium, poison hemlock, Meculatum.
Warning: poison hemlock is extremely toxic. Do not touch poison hemlock without proper safety equipment. Consuming and touching this plant can result in severe reactions and possibly death.
Okay, competitors, on a nice fair fight today. No over-pollination, no use of toxins, I'm talking about you, poison hemlock, and no primary resource plundering. Are you ready, Rabbitbrush? Are you ready, poison hemlock? Let's fight!
Round 1. Poison hemlock comes out of the gate with a strong structure to begin growing its seed heads. Rabbitbrush puts its focus on its underground network. Unfortunately, it won't be enough for the win this round. Round 2. Poison hemlock continues to thrive in its wetland habitat, which is very suitable for its seeds. However, Rabbitbrush comes out of nowhere with its own seeding and goes for a quick drop on hemlock. Third and final round. Rabbitbrush is making a quick and strong comeback on hemlock with the new seed bank. But wait! Hemlock is trying to siphon Rabbitbrush's water supply. That's a breach of the rules, and hemlock is automatically disqualified. Rabbitbrush wins, and will move on to be in the final 4.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Species Smackdown. Come back next time for Coyote Willow and Salt Cedar. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation. For additional information, check out the links attached.